Welcome to the videography course that will change the way you shoot, edit and think, where your passion for capturing moments meets professional excellence. Get ready to transform your skills and embark on an exciting journey. In this course, you will learn the secrets behind my success as a professional videographer, from landing clients without a portfolio for shooting, editing and mastering lighting. Unleash your creativity and attract clients with proven strategies. Discover the art of taking breathtaking footage, mastering the art of lighting, and creating compelling and dynamic visual stories. Dive into the editing process and learn how to refine your footage, add effects, and create seamless final products. Here, you'll also learn the needed business skills to succeed in this competitive industry. Throughout this course, you'll gain valuable tips, tricks, and techniques to evaluate your videography skills, from ground to drone footage, storytelling to post-production secrets.